Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell on Shopify without inventory and share some key resources on getting an e-commerce business off the ground cheaply and successfully. In recent years, a revolution in e-commerce has opened up online selling opportunities to a wide audience, not just rich people and big corporations. The availability of easy-to-use e-commerce platforms like Shopify, combined with self-serve advertising platforms like Google Ads and Facebook, means that these days, anyone in theory at least can start a successful online store and start selling things. And possibly the most exciting and interesting aspect of all this is that you can technically build your store without any products, making startup costs and risk even lower. But how? Let's find out. Option 1. Use a print on demand service. The first option for selling without inventory on Shopify, and arguably the simplest, is by using a print on demand service. There are quite a few to choose from, with popular options including Printful, Printify, and SPOD. Typically, POD services have very wide ranges of products that you can sell, including clothing, home, goods, wall art, and stationery. To sell products via print on demand, usually referred to as POD, you upload a design to your chosen POD service and apply it to a product. You will then be given a digital mock-up of your product that you can add to your Shopify store along with a description for it. When somebody buys that product from your store, and only when they buy it from your store, the POD service will print the relevant design on your product, package it up, and ship it to your customer. To connect a print on demand service to Shopify, you will need to use a print on demand app that works with the platform. We usually recommend Printful or Printify. Typically, POD apps are free to install and use, but you will be charged every time a product is printed and fulfilled. Your profit lies in the markup that you apply to the product. Option 2. Dropshipping. Other way to sell on Shopify without inventory is via dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't manufacture, purchase, store, or deliver any products. Instead, you promote somebody else's goods on your online store, and every time an order for a product is made, you pass the details on the supplier of them. The supplier then charges you and ships the goods to your customer. As with print on demand selling, you make your profit by marking up on the cost of the product charged by the dropshipping supplier. But where do you find these suppliers? Well, most Shopify merchants wishing to start selling product in this way turn to dedicated dropshipping suppliers and dropshipping apps. Dropshipping apps simplify the whole process by letting you choose from a wide range of products manufactured by large, established suppliers, importing all the relevant product details onto your site automatically, and notifying dropshipping suppliers every time there is a sale. There are a lot of Shopify dropshipping apps available, and you can access this in the Shopify App Store. Once you find one you're happy with, it's a simple case of adding it into your store and picking the products that you'd like to list. Option 3, Shopify Collective. Shopify Collective is a relatively new initiative from Shopify that lets you list products from other Shopify merchants in your own store. Selling prices for Shopify Collective products are set by the Shopify store that supplies the product to yours, but this generally allows the store that is reselling the product to make a profit of between 20% and 40% on each sale. When a customer buys one of these products on your store processes the payment while the supplier from the other Shopify store takes care of shipping the product to your customer. Option 4, Sale Services. So far, we've looked at how you can sell physical items on Shopify without actually manufacturing or storing inventory. However, it's also possible to use the platform to sell less tangible items, services being a key example. Services that you can sell easily on Shopify include teaching, business consultations, copywriting, fitness training, web design, and more. You will still need to give some thought as to how you present your service in product format. You will need good photography and well crafted service descriptions to sell them effectively on a Shopify store. But the point is that you can launch a Shopify store for a service based business quickly and easily and without any products. Option 5. Sell memberships. My final suggestion on how to start a Shopify store without inventory involves selling memberships. These memberships can involve real institutions. You can, for example, use Shopify to sell access to gyms, galleries, clubs, and so on. Or they can be designed to provide access to digital communities or content via a gated area on your website. To create the latter type of membership, you will usually need an app that facilitates this. Shopify doesn't really provide this functionality out of the box. Popular options here include the Bold memberships and Locksmith apps. So that's 5 key ways that you can sell on Shopify without inventory. However, it's important to note that regardless of what you are selling on Shopify, you will need to promote your store effectively to make it a success. Search engine optimization, online ad campaigns, digital marketing, and email list building will all be a part of that. Accordingly, I would suggest checking out a few of our key resources on how to create a successful Shopify store. So that's it. Before you go, please do like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.